How are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is Corona latest grow your retail business. Grow your grow your retail business agreement and discreet of offline retail, online retail to grow with online sale now accounting for around one character of the total retail marketing whole agreement e-commerce. Many see the trade lesson in customer continue to shift to ordering process online. Outweigh your needs, think careful and height advance and discovery. Advanced for online retail. The benefits retailing online increasing easy access to market in many ways. The access marketing from interest he never be raised online minute sale. Online minute sale selling target online marketing advance of agreement hardware you are needed to think casual and certified online sale. How carefully agreement online retail. The benefit written online easily increase to market and many was the excess market of increment is never be eraser online minute selling. See selling target online marketplace. Read our ship selling online can remove the need from expand retail permission and customer vacancy promotion from paid grow selling on internet means target consult to retail grow each event and format system you can respond to post and growing sale. See planning and commission marketing beyond local customer very quick. You may discover demand your product other purchase partner with our company. See because customer increase able use online marketing tools to target new customer website analyze tool analyze when your market explore agreement online. The benefit of return increasing marketing raising access in many was access marketing internship has been raising online mint sale customer increase available. See online marketing tool target new customer website analyze tool to many means online marketing. Read factors guide on online selling discovery of online retail website post aligning discover creating hosting searching and managing a professional e-commerce website increase cheap especially for order filling goods return and shipping from this security and found growth of online retail marketing is recurrent rate system to protect your website and transaction process, see commission security, and plan to cope with the customer rights which are attend to online sale. See the law selling online. Advertising costs while online marketing can have very effective way to getting the right customer. Your people keywords see pay per click and paid search advertising customer target customer trust between physically pay per click paid search advertising interaction pay per click PPC advertising means that you pay every last then target one customer searching the internet the for the product or service you offer because you are only pay when user agree click on ads to visit because you are online will user click on an ad visit website PPC cost when user PPC advertising can be set up quickly offer flexible optional product data to help campaign professional. You shall take strawberry PPC advertising in deep analyze and graph organize management are key to secure the guideline online the type of PPC advertising to PPC advertising pay per click and paid search advertising type of PPC click advertising you will find a range of online optional the charging your per click your website paid search marketing paid search marketing is one the most complete type of pay per click PPC advertising product search is Google AdWords and bring ad show to user will search clear keywords your setup compassing and copies string relevant keyword and choosing loading page your site display advertising display ads banner image test at the April and website selected to target practical advanced ad will link your website return law search but can be useful for billing brand awareness. See advertising of display advertising social media advertising social media platform such as Facebook have high number could be PPC increase still display advertising campaign search advertising campaigns social media advertising campaigns email marketing price percent website advertising price comparison website current and display price and special offer from version this increase campaign website for all that from the price campaigns set this can be useful pending PPC website that is up agreement price campaign website and difficulty Affiliate marketing create PPC ad promotion your product service and place the on search engine price campaigns, target content search, have trafficking website. See what is affiliate. This video it is subscribe my channel, like never latest mission update, first name, last name, email, postal code, just sign up. Thanks for watching.